Good morning, I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan, Arizona. And this morning I'm out here cutting a bouquet of plum blossoms. Now you might wonder, why am I doing that, right? Well, let's go see. So here we have our bouquet that I just cut out back. And the reason we brought this bouquet out here to the front gate is a pollinator for this plum tree. Plum varieties require a pollinator, and it just so happens that this tree's pollinator companion over on the other side of the driveway got cotton root rot and died, leaving this tree all alone without a pollinator. The other plum trees out back are probably close to 100 yards away. I just don't feel that that's close enough. So we need to address this pollination issue. One way is with a bouquet. And of course, a companion tree is even better. So over here, I have let one of the rootstocks or root sprouts grow up, and I intend to graft this over to a suitable pollinator variety. That'll take a year or two. So in the interim, I'm doing a little bit of a plum tree dating service here. I bring this bouquet for pollination and I put it up into the tree and let the bees work. Then I do like to secure it. So that's pollination for this tree.